Hey, what's up, detailers? This is Nate. I wanted to put this together, kind of show you guys a few things about my website and how some of the digital marketing and SEO stuff works. I started Always Shining Mobile Detailing back in 2007 and have recently been doing digital marketing, website design and SEO for other auto detailers. So this is the first website that I ever built. Not super impressed with the look or the layout, but it gets the job done. The phone's ringing. So I just haven't went back and fixed it yet. So looking at this, some of the things you want to think about when putting a website together. With Google, content is king. You want to get about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 on these back service pages. So this here is the homepage. All of these other pages are considered back pages for the site. But, scrolling down through here, you can see, I do have a lot of content in here. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for particular keywords, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to pick up on those keywords and know your site's relevant to what people are looking for. So a lot of times we'll go in and we'll bold some of the keywords that we're putting in, just kind of hitting on those, kind of making sure they stand out. But as you can see, we do have a lot of content here. I think this site is actually a little over 1,500 words. We've got our map embedded here so people can find us. Google loves local. So like everything that we do, we try to focus and make sure we're getting that San Antonio in there. We want Google to know that's where we are, and auto detailing services are what we offer. So we make sure to get those keywords and stuff in there. We did put this into one of the SEO tools that we use. Your title tag and your H1 tag are super important. Two of the first thing that Google's going to look at. You do want to pay attention to your meta description also. These two things don't actually show up on the site. They're more in the search results. And then here you've got, this does show up on the site. This is your H1 tag. You want to keep it simple. San Antonio Auto Detailing. It says what we do and where we do it. And that is right here on the website. One of the first things that people see. That is our H1 tag. Going back up to the title tag, San Antonio Car Detailing - Always Shining Mobile Detailing. So again, we get where we are and what we do, put a dash in there and put the company name for branding purposes. And because mobile detailing is in the name, I'm actually picking up on both the car detailing keyword, the mobile detailing keyword, and then the H1 I used auto detailing. So we've got kind of all three of those main keywords mixed in there. I did type in San Antonio mobile detailing here. I'm actually about 35 miles outside of San Antonio where I live. And, typing this in, this Google Map Pack section is very location oriented. It's kind of normally shows you some of the closest places to you, but we are still showing up number 3 in the map pack here. And we're showing up number 2 here in the organic searches. But just some examples. This is that title tag that we talked about. And I'm not exactly sure why Google is switching this one around, because it is set up on the site to say San Antonio Car Detailing first and then the company name. I may have to look into that. But, going down through here, you can see most of these title tags are going to say something about detailing in San Antonio. Detailing San Antonio detailing, detailing San Antonio. It just shows that you want to get that location and the service that you offer into that title tag. And also you want to get some keywords into that meta description. This right here is the meta description for all of these sites. These bolded words here, they don't do that when they set up the meta description. Google does that in the search part. Google is highlighting these words for me to let me know that all of these sites talk about what I typed in up here. So just wanted to kind of give you guys some examples of that. I did put my site into one of the other SEO tools that we use. This shows a lot about keywords and things like that. These two numbers have to do with your trust flow on your site. You want to try to keep those numbers fairly close together. These are the backlinks that we have. These are the referring domains. We're currently showing up for 355 keywords and get about 1,100 visits a month to our website. Now, as you can see, going back to the website, we do have online booking. So a lot of people don't even call us. They just go online, book their appointment, we show up. But going back in here, looking at the keywords, if we click on this, it will break down and show us the keywords that we show up for. And I can flip this around to position. Now, as you can see, there's 50 different keywords on this one page. And this whole page, every one of these keywords, we are ranked either number 2 or number 3 on all of these keywords. So these are the type of keywords that I generally try to get people to use. They're very simple. Mobile car wash San Antonio. It says what we do and where we do it. Mobile auto detailing San Antonio. Again, San Antonio mobile car wash. And you can see that Google flips all this around. Like, they know mobile car wash San Antonio and San Antonio mobile car wash are pretty much the same thing. So looking down through here, a lot of these are showing up on some of our back pages. So we've got pages ranking that aren't even our home page. So our home page ranks, and then our back pages rank for some of those same keywords. So we're ranking very well for a lot of the mobile stuff. But even like, detailing San Antonio, there's 50 people a month searching it. We're in the number 3 spot. So just kind of wanted to give you guys some examples of some of the things we can do when SEO is done properly. Over here, we do have a call tracking number on our site. These are all the calls we've gotten in the last 30 days. I've already done the math. It's 134 phone calls. So not only do we have people going online that don't call us, they just book their appointment, we've had 134 phone calls in the last 30 days too. So if you guys need help growing your business, I've got no problem giving you guys some tips. Shoot me a private message, hit me with your website, let me know the city and state that you service. I'll go in and do a little research on the competition, see what it's going to take to beat them, and give you guys some free pointers. I hope that helps you out. Love to hear from you. Talk to you later. Thank you.